Can I get a tour?
Tonight. I got Woodford in my van.
Built in art. I love your sign. Amazing kitchen, private bathroom, and a doghouse. Do you want to tell about it?
Sure.
Or do you want him to do it? Or
I don't care.
can you play a little guitar while you
He can
give
play.
the tour?
Yeah, he can, I play bass. He plays guitar.
Do you really?
Yeah. What do you want to know about?
Everything.
Okay. Hey, welcome to Wayfaring Star. I'm Angie, and Tommy and I built this van in our driveway. This is our bathroom. This is the back of the van. All of our water comes in here. We have a filtration system for our fresh water. We've got 40 gallons of fresh water and a 4-gallon hot water heater. On this side, we have our batteries. We have 15,000 watt hours of battery. We're
Oh my
a
gosh.
48 volt system. And we have 900 watts of solar on the roof.
Do you live in this van?
We live part-time. We left home Christmas Eve day and we've been on the road since.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah,
What kind of battery is that?
those are Epic, EPOCH.
Huh.
They're really nice. They're smart batteries. And they work with the VICTRON system.
This here step thing?
This is a nice little step. It's sold by Chewy as a dog step. And it swivels back and locks under the van when we're in motion and then comes out this way.
That.
So it helps us get in and out.
Now I
Then
have
in
to
the
get me one of these.
Yeah. Then in the shower, we put these Trex in for daytime. And then when we shower, we take the Trex.
Oh, they're Trex sports.
They're just Trex boards, so it
nice.
makes it nice and level to walk in. But we can just take them out to shower. We use a Tralino toilet.
We're sponsored by them.
Are you? Nice.
Well, for one video we were.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we use the Vandermoons on the back of the doors for organization.
Yep.
Those are really nice. And we do have the ability to plug in, although we've never had to. We have a Sterling DC to DC charger that charges us at 1200 watts when we're driving. And then with our 900 watts of solar, we never run out of power. We can stay indefinitely boondock. We don't go to campgrounds.
So do you run? You don't?
Do we do what?
Where do you find
We've
places?
never gone to a campground. Huh?
Where do you
We
go?
just anywhere, everywhere. Cracker Barrels, Walmarts, BLM Land. There's iOverlander's a nice app that helps you find places to sleep.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we don't. No, we never
Okay,
can.
where'd you sleep the night before here?
We slept at a Cracker Barrel
Okay,
in Dade City.
a lot of people.
Night before that, we were at a Walmart in St. Pete Beach. Night before that was a casino
Oh, okay, yeah.
in Louisiana somewhere.
We're
so-
always struggling. We struggle.
We never plan ahead. We always figure it out.
It's the way to go.
Yeah.
Let me just get a better shot of this here.
Yeah.
I love the layout
Thank you.
with the back bathroom.
Thank you.
Just always
We love it too.
Winnebago did an era like this.
Yeah.
And that thing has a slide out on it. But
Oh, yeah?
I always loved that layout.
Oh, thank
Okay,
you.
go.
Okay, so here we are coming into the front of the van. You've seen the back. Come on in. So what was important to us is to have room for playing guitars
Yeah.
and not running into everything, and then have our friends in here. So we have this nice big L-shaped sofa lounge area for our friends. A lagoon mount table, which swings out here and we can eat or play games. And then this is our bed. So we have the Happy Jack system,
Yeah.
and we still have 6'2" of head clearance because of the super high roof ProMaster. So it's 11 inches taller than the high roof.
Wow.
Um,
Yeah, you could stand right up in
You
here.
can, yeah, no worries.
Huh.
It's taller than most fans inside.
This has got to be like 6 feet here.
It's 6'2".
6'2".
Yeah. And then we have our dog house. This is for Zuri, and she has her own built-in fan here that sends air, nice fresh
Oh,
air
nice.
into her doghouse. This is all storage underneath the couches. We keep guitars, basses, amplifiers, lawn chairs, grills. We have a can pantry. Again, just trying to utilize every inch of space. Place for our games. Nice little coffee tables. We have this one and then that corner coffee table over there. It's got our computers on it today, but
Oh, I didn't even see that.
yep. So that makes a real nice area.
Yeah.
In the kitchen, we have our induction cooktop on a slide out, which makes it great. Microwave with convection oven, broiler, air fryer. We have an appliance garage with our coffee maker and toaster. Nice big standard size trash can under here. We didn't want little trash cans. We like
And they all light up.
big trash can. Yeah, we have lights. Nice big drawers, just like at home.
Are those plastic?
No. What's that?
The
Plastic?
black forks?
No, these are metal.
Oh, those are metal. I've never seen black
Yeah.
silverware.
Yeah. And then we have
Very posh.
we have closet hanging space, and then we have big drawers for our clothing. We each have a great big drawer
Nice.
that he's divided for us. Again, big storage here and here. This goes clear back to the side of the van. So paper towels, toilet paper, dog food, paper plates, everything goes up in there.
Huh.
And then, you know, dishes, pots and pans are in this big drawer down here, which is really big. Holds a lot. And then dog food drawer, extra drink.
Dog's got his own.
Got our lighted liquor cabinet up there.
Nice.
Nice big TV with a nice sound bar.
That's
Good
important,
sound.
right?
Yeah. And then our pizza oven is a double-decker pizza oven. So when the bed is down, there's a second level to the pizza oven.
That's the pizza oven?
Yeah, that holds just stuff. It's empty, it's practically empty. It's storage that we don't use yet. And then our pillows go in the upper level.
Nice.
Yeah, and we have a light in there and everything. So we try to keep everything so you can see.
Wow.
And then we use the Arctic turn windows. I don't know if you're familiar with those.
Yep.
But we love those. They've got the built-in privacy screens like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And then the bug screens, and then
This fan wired in there is blowing something nice. I love this.
yeah, no,
Wow.
it just circulates the air, and then our exhaust fan is up in the cabinet up there.
But it's hardwired in, right?
It is, yes. And the reason we put the exhaust fan up in the cabinet
I saw
is
that.
so
yeah.
it's to keep it on the same plane as the air conditioner, which allows us to have another solar panel on the roof.
Oh.
Because, you know, yeah, space up there is limited, so we like it that way. Nice little power step. It's lighted and everything.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah, and then a nice grab handle, which is we think is really important. So I think that's the majority of the tour.
Okay, well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you
I'll
very
give
much.
you a